Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce my new tool. It's a centralized solution to configure multiple switches. It's available on GitHub. You can uh, access this link to download and create the tool. And now I will add two switch to this tool. As you see here, currently the tool does not manage any switch, and now I will add new more switch. I have a two switch here. This is Cisco Nexus 9 series 9000 series here, and I will add two switch N9K1 and N9K2 to my tool. First of all, I will create the group. Maybe I will have the name is VBC Nexus 9, 9000, and the size here is I will size is Ho Chi Minh City. Yes, that means Ho Chi Minh. And credential. Credential is the username you will to create on switch to manage this switch. I will create a new user. I will create a username a demo with password finish 60 with run network admin. Okay. Okay, I will create a new password. Symbol here. Now I will create a new credential with name demo password description demo. Yes, and now I will add this switch to my tool. I will choose and Nexus 9 K1 with IP address is in my container lab. I will ping the new one. Okay, this is my IP address with port 991. Credential I choose the last one I create. Platform is Cisco Nexus. Currently it supports Cisco iOS, Cisco Nexus, and Juniper Junos. I will create Cisco group is Cisco Nexus Ho Chi Minh here, and it's will group Cisco. And I will go Cisco Nexus I want. Okay, and after I create the new switch, it does not have any information. I need to uh, up update metadata, and I click the update. It will access to the switch and collect some information about the switch. There currently I have the first information about this switch. This is I do not configure anything. It default just have one map. This is system map, ARP, IP interface. That's just the management IP, and now I can configure the interface through the web interface here. As you see, the currently it does not configure anything on interface, and I will change the most to chunk here. I will show run interface. This is the current configuration, and now I will change to the new configuration. The mode is chunk and degreation is change to chunk with native VLAN 1 and allow VLAN 1. Okay, this is default. I will check my switch. Yes, that is the switch I have a configure. And now I will change the interface to here into trunk, allow VLAN 1000 to 1000 and description là description 2. Yeah. In the web interface, it will change the configuration 1/10 and I will test your 1/10 here. Let's just change to the new configuration. So interface status. Yes, this is to new configure. And now I will add one more. This is switch 2. I will add switch 2 here. Type here rest or 222 residential demo. Platform is Nexus. If I type in Nexus group, in Nexus and VBC and IK Ho Chi Minh demo and 2. Okay, click update metadata. Wait a minute to update metadata. Now I can manage two switch loop, two switch here. The first one and the two switch. Currently, I can check in the MAC address with the last thing on our system, the ARP and IP interface here. You can use search with many information you can search. And now I want to introduce the group configuration. That means you can configure a group of multiple switch. Maybe in the server version you can create this to manage the server version multiple switch. This is switch 1, this is switch 2, and I will show VLAN. So VLAN, you can see here. It's a VLAN. We on the switch 1 we only have a one switch, and now I will configure more VLAN here. I will configure VLAN 10 to 20 mic. And this is the configure is sent to the switch, and I will log into switch and check again. So VLAN, yeah, VLAN 10 to 20 here. So VLAN, yes, VLAN 10 and 20, and now I will create multiple switch that maybe I want to configure multiple interface. That means I want to configure interface Ethernet 1/2 with description multiple configs and switchboard most access, switchboard access VLAN 11. And now if you send the configuration into switch here, you can see, and now we will log into switch and check again. So one interface 1/2, yeah. So one interface 1/2. So interface status, you can see here. That is a configure, and if we can check the interface if it's the not mask any information, we can correct it. Maybe show run interface 1/1. You can see on switch 1 is changed to trunk, but on the switch 2 it will the default configuration, and now I will change it to match the same configuration. You can use this feature can 1 and set 11 12 on the switch. I will change on the interface to accept VLAN 12 here. Yes, it is the configuration, and now I will check it here. So interface status, yeah, multiple config, change to switch, so run interface Ethernet 1/2, yeah, as 1/1, yeah, access VLAN 12, show interface status. Yes, this is the config, the main feature of this tool, and I hope you will enjoy this tool and help me to contribute to this tool. Thank you.